Creating a thread in the SOLIDWORKS. The document detail parts of the spiral from the curves helix and spiral. Activate the command and specify the plane. On the plane, create a sketch and exit from sketch. In the dialog box helix/spiral, set the parameters. Set reverse direction, set pitch 10 millimeters, and set start angle is 0 degree, and add some revolution, maybe 20, don't 20 or 10. Okay, 10 revolution is enough. On the plane above, create a sketch of the profile of a thread. Change view on normal and create a polygon. It's a triangular. Create triangular, exit from sketch, and create a command swept cut. Specify the sketch is a profile and specify the helix and spiral on the work field. Specify the left mouse button click, or specify in the model tree helix spiral, and create swept cut. We have thread.